Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. I'm at the Magic Kingdom today. We're gonna go check out Tiana's Bayou Adventure, some updates on the construction, and also there are now beignets available here at Magic Kingdom, so we'll have a snack as well. Let's go check it out. Guys, I'm also trying out a brand new camera I just got. I've upgraded my GoPro. I'm now using a GoPro 12 Black, and it might take me a video or two to get these settings right, but this is kind of my initial outdoor testing on this, hoping the colors are still good. I love the GoPro. I love the natural lighting, the way that it records, but it may take me a video or two to get these specs up and get everything adjusted properly. But that castle looks cool. A little bit cloudy today, but finally the warmth. I checked the next 4 or 5 days out. We'll be in the high 70s, 80, low 80s for the next several days. So Florida has returned again. It's been a very cold winter here in Florida. So let's head over to Frontierland and check it out. I made my way over here to Frontierland. Actually, before we get into it a little bit more here, I want to remind everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. This is kind of where you would come. Remember when it was Splash Mountain, you'd go down the big hill, splash down, and then you would come around here. So this will be the same, but you know, different theming, I guess. Trying to look, looks like maybe some new stone, some more plants over there. So a little bit different, but pretty much, you know, I don't think they're going to be changing much of this tracking with the water. That would take a very long time to do. So I would assume it'll all be the same as you go through, but who knows, maybe not. Let's go over there and see if we can get a better view of how it's coming along. I figured I'd come over here and kind of have a look first, because we used to enter in when it was Splash Mountain. Not sure if that's where we'll enter again. That's where the queue used to start. So you can see it's all kind of fenced off. But you can still get the train here, actually, if you want. But anyway, here we go. I mean, I never really studied it before, but I think a lot of those flowers there are new. You can see all the scaffold. We'll take a walk back around, but I mean, it's still a lot of stuff to do. This is supposed to open this summer, 2024. So let's go around that side and have a look. So you can see those trees have added on. I'm trying to stand back here because that fence, if I get too close to the fence, you'll see if I walked over to that fence, I wouldn't be able to see anything. It's definitely those trees with the moss. You got the employee-owned Tiana's Food, established 1927, a water tower there. Oh, it's got the crown up there. What do you call it? Tiaras, I think. I can't remember the exact word you use for that, but that's definitely the princess crown, Tiana's crown up on the top. And I can see them working in there. So you're gonna come out, still drop down. The flowers look nice for sure, definitely. So let me see if we can get a little closer, see if there's anything else. Yeah, over here you can see them working. They're putting those flowers on the roof there, right? Also a big crane in the back there. See that crane? So that must be for something, maybe lifting up pieces in there. Or yeah, over here actually you can see pretty good. Oh yeah, putting like the moss on the roof there, you can see, with the flowers coming down. Oh, this is a nice view from here. If you're familiar with Disney World, they take a long time usually to open new attractions. Now this is just a recreation of an older attraction, so hopefully, you know, you figure it's already been, what, over a year it's been closed. Yeah, let's hope for the best. Let's hope that this is open by summer. But I want to go over and get some of the beignets, and I believe they're right over here. So guys, this is where you can supposedly find the beignets, the Golden Oak Outpost. Not open yet. It says, I think I checked on the app, 12 o'clock. So it should be open soon. Now, there is a menu over here. And it does not say it has the beignets, but I do believe this is where they are. As you can see, here's the regular menu if you're interested. They have like chicken strips, chili fries, but I don't see officially. Oh, I do see it inside the window. You guys can see right there the beignets right there. Tiana's famous beignets. That's what we're going for. Look at already. Wow, this. Are you kidding me? This is the line for the beignets. I guess everybody wants them. Look at this. I'm gonna get in line, guys. Let's see how long it takes. Well, we'll get them and we'll try them together. Wow, I can't believe the line. Look at it. I'm all the way back here. Wow. Let's see how long it takes. It's actually 12. It's gonna open right now. So 12. I'll see what time it is by the time we get up there. So it took 15 minutes. I got up to the front by 12:15. Now I just gotta go find a spot. It comes with that strawberry dipping sauce. Look at them. Huh. Can't wait to try. Let's go find a spot to sit down and try these bad boys out. All right, I found a spot over here. Actually, Petco's Bill outside. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at this. There's a strawberry sauce right there. Yeah, let's get right in it, guys. These are gonna be nice and messy. They look like they're a little overcooked to me, don't they? Seem a little crispy. Let's see though. Here we go. I think they're a little overdone, honestly. They taste more kind of like French toast sticks, really, with the powdered sugar. You try a bite without the sauce. I need some time to process this. I thought they would be better. They're not as good as I thought. Let me try a couple more though. I ate another one. They're not. They're not as good as I thought they'd be. Almost disappointed in a way. I'm gonna finish this up. We'll go out there and we'll talk about it out there. All right, guys, so did I eat them all? Of course. Yes, I ate them all, but I will say this. The beignets over at, you can get at Port Orleans at that quick service restaurant, way better. The ones I had last weekend at Mardi Gras celebration over there at Universal, way better. To me, the best part of that was the sauce. They were just, they were cooked too long. They were almost to the point where they were almost tasted burnt. The inside was not that nice soft texture like a beignet. It's usually soft, you know. It tasted more to me like a French toast stick. If it said Tiana's French toast sticks, I would have been happier. Now, they tasted okay, but not good for a beignet. So let me give them a rating, 1 through 10. I mean, there's some things that I think the price was good. They were only $6.99. You got 5. They weren't too bad. You could share them with 2 people. But overall, the quality, what they were advertising, 6. Only a 6. Like I said, it was more like a French toast stick. So, I mean, that's about all I can say about it. It's like I wanted it to be better. I wanted it to be more because of the line and the hype. But hey, who knows? The other thing too is they are pumping those out. Maybe if you went when it wasn't as busy and they weren't cooking them just over and over and over again, they might taste better. So there's a lot of factors that go in. I'd be willing to try one more time later in the day. Now, right now, I checked the app. That's that outpost where I got them is only open from 12 to 5. So, and I believe they just a limited time that they're offering those beignets. So, if you want to try them, come on down. Magic Kingdom. There's your full review from Medling World. Want to remind everybody, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Big cruise next week on Allure of the Seas, Royal Caribbean Oasis class ship. We'll be vlogging that total adventure for you. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!